My people wonder they say shall never end. They said Ebony and the Blueblo they don't put their four legs for one trouser over with Naomi's matter. Oh. Even to the point they said Ebony, who does not have respect for Blueblo, despite the fact that Blueblo is way older than her. Blueblo is even older than the king from what we are hearing. They said Ebony allegedly drags Blueblo before the council of chiefs of the Lafogidi house where they came from. No be smart, no, but they said she was disappointed because what she expected was not what she got. This is what I ordered versus what I got. What she ordered is quite different from what she got. She was expecting that all these people they would team up and blast Blublo for not supporting her or for not being on her side. But some people are saying that she's being frustrated over the fact that the news of Kabiesi removing immunity from them, it has kind of shattered her. There was a video of her I saw recently. Her look is not her normal look in that video. I don't know if you see the video. You know, there was this is it a J or what that they are celebrating this time. I saw a video of her. She wasn't looking happy in that video. You know that no matter what, they will always come out there. But the Ebony that we all know always smile, always laugh, you know, make it look like being married to the king is the best thing that can ever happen to a woman, this, that. But in that particular video of hers, it is obvious that she's not happy. I don't know why she's not happy, whether because of this news or there is something again. But the previous videos of her that I used to see and this one, the difference is very clear. I don't know if you guys have seen the video. So my people, what we are hearing right now is that Ebony summoned Blueblo before the Council of Elders in their Lafogidi house, reporting that Blueblo, who is supposed to be her sister, is working against her, joining force with Dr. Elizabeth to work against her in that marriage. And she is suspecting that one of the reasons why Kabiesi included her in those people that he will be removing immunity from is because of what Blublo must have told Kabiesi about her. Even when Blublo knows that she played a great role in making sure that the king married her. My people, that is what they said Ebony was saying before the elders. So the question is, my question is, if Ebony pleaded with Kabiesi to marry Blublo, how come the king married Blublo before her? Because that's the question. You can think. And if you judge from what we have been hearing, they said relationship between Blublo and the Kabiesi have lasted longer than any of them in that marriage now. That Blublo and Kabiesi have been in a relationship way back. Yes, before even Ebony came into the picture. I don't even know where Ebony's own came from because the only thing I heard from the beginning was that Ebony is a calabash carrier and her late father used to be an Ifa priest, you know, and she learnt that from the late father. She started practicing in the palace. But when you hear her talk about how she is betrothed to the king, how she and the king have meant to be spiritually before coming physically, I'll be asking myself, if you are betrothed to the king, how come you have a daughter for another man? Or is it that in Ile-Ife, when a woman is betrothed to a man, the woman can go ahead and be sleeping with another man or get married to another man when he find out that the person that she is betrothed to is now successful? She will now dump the other man and return back. That is the kind of question that I used to ask always, especially when I hear Ebony said she helped Blublo. She speak to the king to marry Blublo and all of that, you know. that her love, Kabiesi's love for her, and her love for Kabiesi started even in the olden days. I don't. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't always make sense to me. Yes, assuming she was in that palace, maybe she did not have a child for another man. We conclude that maybe Kabiyesi did not find her attractive, but she was betrothed to the king and she was waiting for the king. So the king have to marry all of these women before coming to marry her. But where did another man come from? As in, where did the issue of getting married to another man, having a child for him, leaving him when Kabiyesi became successful and returning back? You know, these are the things that I keep asking. But let's just go back to the topic for this video, where Ebony dragged Blublo to their kinsmen. But they said the kinsmen told Ebony that look, that Blublo have the right to choose who to support or who not to support in that marriage. Meanwhile, from what Blublo is saying, you don't have any respect for her. You are ought to respect her. Blublo is older than you. She is an elder to you. Despite the fact that you two got married to a man, the same man, you two are not, doing the same man, it does not give you the right to disobey her the way you are doing, even to the point of calling her names. Because she was calling her names when Bloblo advised her to stop allowing some elders to use her to get to the king. That she is now married to the king and she's supposed to protect the king. She's supposed to stand where her husband stands. That even if the husband said Queen Naomi will return, that shouldn't be a problem to her. But why won't it be a problem to her? We all know that she have stayed with Queen Naomi. Maybe there are things that she did to her that she is afraid that when Queen Naomi comes back, maybe Queen Naomi will use them against her. But Queen Naomi is not that type of a person. Queen Naomi does not have the kind of heart that she have. Yes, they say Blo have advised her, and it is that advice that leads to insult. And when finally Kabiyesi decided that she will be one of those people that will be losing immunity, she now pushed it to Bloblo, saying that Bloblo is the one that advised Kabiyesi to do that against her. They said their elders, told her that the earlier she learned to obey her senior sister, which is Bloblo, the better for her. And Bloblo's allegiance should be to anyone she deemed fit and not to you, because she was expecting Bloblo to support her in everything that she is doing. And they say what the elders told her, she did not expect it. She wasn't expecting it. She was expecting that they would join force and tell her, okay, Blobo, don't you know that this, that? They say some elders are trying to hide this time. They are no longer coming out fully to come and say things against the king, because the ancient sword have been activated and the Yanifa is also present. So they are being careful. But Ebony might not understand it like that. Anyway, guys, that is what we are hearing. But don't forget that these are all alleged, unverified information making rounds on social media and shouldn't be taken as fact unless you verify them, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, follow my page, and share this video. I love you guys. Bye. See you.